Hi, your name is?
Tess Vogel,
Hi, Tess. And where do you live, Tess?
Southbury, Connecticut.
Great. And what school do you go to?
Pomperaug High School.
Pomperaug. And you are a senior, I take it?
Yes, a senior.
And I hear that you're co-captain
Of the tennis team.
of the team. That's great. And can you tell me a little bit about your team and like what you like to play?
Yeah, my freshman year I played second doubles, and we went to All-State and went to the third round and lost in the third round. And then my sophomore year I was second doubles again, and we made it all the way until All-State, and we were named All-State. And then my junior year last year I was first doubles, and we qualified for states, but we lost in the second round.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, you're a very competitive league, I hear. Yeah. Okay. And what type of colleges are you looking at?
Looking at colleges with a strong music conservatory or a strong music department, as well as a strong liberal arts college as well. So.
And why do you want to play tennis in college?
Because I like the balance it brings. I mean, between the music and the academics, it's nice to have a sport, some physical activity.
Oh, that's super. And have you made any decision between big or small or any of that?
Both. I mean, not too big, but anything else really.
And what other things are you interested in besides music?
Math and science, mostly.
Great. Super. And have you narrowed it down at all, or are you still wide open?
So I've narrowed it down a little, but I'm still have a pretty lengthy list.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you.